Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming Copilot is active on your Microsoft 365 account and that Excel is fully updated. Once done, convert your raw data into an Excel table, use Ctrl+T, and give that table a clear name so Copilot can reference it accurately. Next, open the Copilot pane from the ribbon or the Copilot icon. Make sure you grant any requested permissions. Now you're ready to give your first prompt. Describe the outcome you want, not every step, and let Copilot interpret your data. You'll now request concrete actions. Ask Copilot to summarize sales by region, build a pivot table, or generate formulas. Speak plainly. If the first result isn't right, ask for alternatives. Request a different formula, narrower ranges, or a stacked column chart instead of a bar. Make use of step-back prompts like show the formula or explain assumptions so you understand the how and why. When you need iterative tweaks, say refine by and specify the filter or metric. This keeps control while leveraging Copilot's speed. Finalize your workbook by reviewing Copilot's formulas and charts against a small known sample. This validates accuracy before you save. Once satisfied, export results, add reviewer comments, or protect cells and save a version to preserve the audit trail. If Copilot misunderstands a request, rephrase the prompt, confirm the table and column names, and check for hidden headers or merged cells. As a key troubleshooting tip, clear Copilot's cached permissions and reopen Excel. This often fixes access or permission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.